All right, guys, hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a free app called VidIQ. So with VidIQ, it's going to help us boost our views. It's going to help us find the best video topics, and it's going to help us grow faster as a small creator. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, so the first thing they're going to ask you once you connect your channel is what you're going to make your videos about. So basically, what's your niche? So you guys can see they give you prompts like art tutorials, game reviews, beauty. But for me, it's going to be, I guess I can say, motivational content or motivation. I'm definitely going to play around with this and see how I can fine tune this. But for now, I'm going to put motivational. Or, you know what, maybe, yeah, I guess motivational. I mean, I could say like self-improvement or personal development. That's what we are going to do. So boom. And then I love how you can change this later because like I said, I want to make sure that it is fine-tuned. So I'm going to hit continue. And then now it is asking, add more topics to refine your feed. So I'm definitely going to click on the productivity, inspiration, self-improvement, and again, you can always come back and fine-tune your video topics. So boom, these look good. The next thing is, how did you discover it? Obviously, you were just going to say, how did I hear about it? I don't know, just anything, just, yeah. Yes. So guys, they do have a subscription. You can do either or you can, like I said earlier in this video, you can use the free option. So for now, we're going to be using the free option. This does depend on what your goals are. But for me, for right now, we're going to use the free option until I see that, okay, this is something that I can really see myself utilizing. So, oops, let's go back. We're going to do no thanks. And then boom. So the first thing we're going to get into here is the home page. They have how you can optimize your recent video. They have daily tasks for you. You can even add personal goals right here, which I love that. So that's the first thing we're going to do. It's not monetized. Yep, I know that. Now it's asking, are you interested in getting your channel monetized? Yes, I definitely do. Let's set another goal for your channel. Let's do, if we can do, which goal do I want to focus on right now? I would say right now, focus on the views, maybe. So boom, I love how it says that it gives you a prediction. And so it gives you a plan. So as you can see, the next question prompt is, how hard do you want to work to reach your goal? I mean, listen, it's all in or all out. So they have hard, super hard, and then go all out. So boom, we're gonna do go all out. This is the keyword explorer. And so this is where you can find what people are actually searching for on YouTube. For example, if I type in how to grow on YouTube, VidIQ is going to give you the search volume, which is 42. And it shows you the competition, overall score, and things as such. So the green means good. Go for it. The red, I would skip it. So this will help you be able to choose video topics that people are actually searching for so that you can get more views on your videos. And also so that you can rank, as a small creator. So this just shows you, you can do, let's see, you can even how to lose. Oh, whoops. Boom. Okay. You can see, wow, with this one, the search volume is much, much higher. People are searching for how to lose weight, how to stay in shape, and things related to that. Now we're going to jump into the ideas. So with the daily ideas, it gives you personalized ideas for your video topics. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that. You can either swipe left or swipe right. I don't know, is that Tinder? I don't know, but it's kind of like that. But so the first one they have for me is how to achieve YouTube monetization in 15 days. For me, I'm going to dismiss that. Use Chat GPT for your content category. We're just going to play around and we just save it. The truth about YouTube monetization, we're just going to play around with it. And look, guys, they want me to upgrade. So obviously you do have more options with the upgrade option. But it just, again, depends on your goals. Because as you know, you can also use ChatGPT for video ideas as well. So it just depends on what your goals are. Okay. Now, when it comes to the next thing I'm going to show you guys, we're going to dive into is going to be the video optimization. So with this, VidIQ helps with optimizing your videos. You can see tag suggestions, title recommendations, and you can even, they even give you an SEO score. So this makes sure your video is set up to rank higher in search results, which is how you get those views rolling in. So this is the video that I posted yesterday. We're going to click on this and it's going to rate my video. Boom. Okay, y'all. So they gave me, for my title, they gave me a 74, which is in yellow. And for my thumbnail, they gave me a 91. Honestly, I might change the thumbnail. But I thought, like, as I was editing it, I thought it looked nice. But now that I'm looking at it, I don't know, it might be a little bit too much going on. But the VidIQ has given me a 91. So I'm going to go ahead and click that just so I can see a little bit more details on that. So with the title, they are giving me suggested titles, such as I edited YouTube videos on my iPhone, the Ultimate iPhone Video Editing Toolkit, and I can also regenerate it just like that. And then I love how it also gives me review on my title. As you can see, you guys can read that. You guys can pause the video and read that. And then down here, it gives me feedback on how the title is great and then how it can use improvement. So that is nice. And then with a thumbnail, so boom, it's saying that it's saying uncluttered composition, but the composition feels crowded. See, I knew it. See, I knew it. So that's something that I'm definitely gonna go back and edit and then just re-upload it. So I actually love that, guys. You guys definitely take advantage of this feature. And also, guys, the tags, here are the tags I put in the video. It gave me scores on them. And so now I can go back and edit these tags, and I can even add tags up here by just clicking the plus sign. Okay. So that is very, very nice. And then you can publish the changes to your videos right in the app. Like, how easy and convenient is that? I love that. So lastly, guys, we're going to look at the competitor tool, which is right here. And with this, you guys can add competitors, which are people within your niche, and you can see how they're doing and what's working for them, like their most popular videos, their upload schedules, and just, you know, just gives you an idea of what to do for your own content. I'm going to put add competitors. I don't know. I'm just going to type in a random person. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. The first person that comes to mind is my girl, Erin on Demand. Her content is more so YouTube, personal. It's is it personal development? No, I would say Aaron's content is more so business and entrepreneurship and things like that. So I'm just gonna click on her. We're just gonna add one competitor, and then boom, it shows you. You can go to her top videos, and it shows you certain things. So that was the competitors tab. VidIQ has a daily ideas feature, and it gives you trending topics based on your niche and your audience. You can even save or dismiss ideas like I did earlier based on what fits your channel. And then they also give you emerging trends, and also they show you the viral videos within your niche. So guys, that's just scratching the surface a little bit on what VidIQ can do. It's super beginner friendly, and you can start using it right from your phone for free, or you can upgrade. If this helped you out at all, guys, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. So let me know in the comments if you guys are already using VidIQ, or if you have any questions or any other similar apps that we can all benefit from as small creators. I will see you guys in my next video.